How to delete transaction history on Capitec app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking, so in this video we're gonna find out whether we can delete the bank transaction history on Capitec app or not. So address it properly, Capita Bank doesn't provide direct option to delete transaction history via website or app. This is because the right to deletion is not absolute. Capita Bank is required to retain certain information to provide services and comply with legal obligations. However, if you want to request the deletion of personal data including transaction history, you can do so by lodging a complaint. And here is how you can do it. You can log in to your Capita Bank account, and after that you can choose the account type, whether it is retail or business. And once you have done that, you simply need to fill out the complaint form by providing your personal details such as your first name, last name, passport number, mobile number, and email address. And once you have done that, you should clearly state that you are requesting the deletion of your transaction history and explain your reason for the request. And once you have filled out all the details, you can submit the form to send your request to Capita Bank. And with this, I hope this clear things up for you, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.